Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can use Envato elements with Davinci Resolve, okay? Now I recommend you actually go to our other tutorial where we show you how we do use Envato elements with Premiere Pro, because there I basically explain what happened with the extensions and everything pretty much, okay? So I'm just going to give you like a quick summary in here. It's going to be the same for the Davinci Resolve, okay? Remember, if you just want to do some music, videos, or photos, just download them and import them. But if you want to use some video templates, which are a little bit more specific to the program, we're going to have to click in video templates. And now we're going to have to go to application supported. And we really need to make sure that it's compatible with Davinci Resolve. So we're going to click on this, okay? Because none of them are compatible, okay? Each application has its own specific video templates, okay? And they're only available for them. They're not going to work for the other ones. For example, for the Davinci Resolve, you're mainly going to have like a lot of LUTs. These are like color correction settings and things like that, okay? So you can just click on any of them and you can download it. And that's going to be like a Davinci Resolve file. And now you can directly click on your computer, like right click, and click open with Davinci Resolve. And that's going to be pretty much it, okay? Thank you so much.